Heart of Gold, a new initiative by Britannia Good Day and the Times Group, brings you stories of individuals who have made a difference to society and transformed lives with their acts of compassion and goodwill. Here's the story of an inspired group of youngsters who are igniting the consciousness of their peers.
A casual trip in 2008 that sparked a noble idea. Yuva Ignited Minds was an initiative by a group of management students aimed at serving the disadvantaged, creating awareness and arousing a sense of responsibility amongst the youth of the country.
Guys, make it a point to please turn off your engines at the signals. It saves lot of fuel.
One of the things which we realized was that success came to those people who helped others succeed. And when we asked ourselves, what have we done? So we drew a sorry no. That's how we came up with the organization Yuva Ignited Minds.
Brimming with innovative ideas to address social, health and educational issues affecting our country today, this inspired team of youngsters with Heart of Gold are doing their every bit to bring about a positive change in the city of Bangalore.
What we said that, let's go out, let's talk to these people and let's put some sense into them, saying that it's a red signal, please turn off, right? And when it's green, you can actually go. So you save a lot of fuel for yourself and for the country. So that's one of the reasons why we were inspired to do the Please Turn Off campaign. Apart from that, we've also done things like the anti-littering campaign, where we said that, littering is such an issue across our country. We said that we as youngsters will be examples for stopping this now. So we will go to schools, we will speak to them, we'll ask them to take responsibility, we'll inspire them to take pledges and sign on that pledge saying that we are not going to be a part of the problem anymore, we're going to be part of the solution. I really feel that the good we do today will come back to us tomorrow. We have to invest in ourselves. We have to take responsibility of the kind of future which we are building.
With their infectious zest and unparalleled enthusiasm, Yuva is all set to be a guiding light for the youngsters across the country.